Greetings, Leoneers, and welcome to the Dev Diary. The first big news I want to share with you is a brand new view in the qualification section. You can now check with ease the validity of your crew travel documents. And since we are already in the qualification section, let me show you that we've implemented the filter preset function in the certificates view. And to finalize this diary, let me briefly notice one more change, this time in a phone book. When you're editing a packs with multiple passports, you can set a certain passport to default only when flying to a specific country. And every time we finish a sprint, we are the devs that say "Ni, ni."